Ladies and gentlemen, have a blessed day. Allow me to present to you the content of online survey questionnaire. Primarily, this online survey questionnaire aims to determine the level of satisfaction of students in Malabiang School in Phitsanulok, Thailand. Here are the contents of the survey questionnaire. Name, age, and sex. There are 4 areas also in which the students will rate, namely curriculum, school activities, school facilities, and teachers. To determine the level of satisfaction, the 5-point Likert scale was used. 1 for very dissatisfied, 2 for dissatisfied, 3 enough satisfied, 4 satisfied, and 5 very satisfied. And here are our responses. We are going to export this Google form into our Microsoft Excel. Just click this green button. To download this, click File, Download, and choose Microsoft Excel. Is our downloaded Excel. Next, to replace string data to numerical data for analysis. But let's define first what is a string data and what is numerical data. A string data is generally considered as a data type and is often implemented as an array data structure of words, while numeric data are numbers stored in database columns, or in short from the word itself, numeric means numbers. Before we replace our data, string data to numerical data, allow me to present the legends. We are going to replace female to 0. Male to 1. Very dissatisfied, 1. Dissatisfied, 2. Enough satisfied, 3. Satisfied, 4. Very satisfied, Very satisfied to 5. These are our string data, and we are going to replace it with our numerical data. To replace, just click Control F. Then you can see the interface Find and Replace. Click Replace, and in the Find What dialog box, type female, and replace it by 0. Click Replace All and OK. Okay, as you can see, all the female words was replaced by 0. And we will do the same process for male and for the areas in which the students are satisfied with. Male, replace it by 1. Place all. Okay. Next. Very satisfied. Place it by 5. Okay. And enough. Satisfied. We're going to replace it by 3. Okay. Next is satisfied. We are going to replace it by 4. Okay. Next. Okay, one more time. Okay. Control F. Very dissatisfied first. Dissatisfied to 1. Okay, next. Dissatisfied to 2. Okay, next. Satisfied to 4. Okay. As you can see, all the string data was replaced with numerical data. We're going to erase this one. Next, to compute average weighted mean, just highlight each areas here: curriculum, school activities, school facilities, and teachers. We are going to compute the average weighted mean for each areas. First, we will compute the average weighted mean of curriculum. Just highlight all. And first, equal sum, then open parentheses, highlight, oh no, again, equal sum, open parentheses, E2 to E21, close parentheses, slash, or divided by 20 because we have 20 respondents, and enter. Oh, and this is the average weighted mean in our curriculum. We will do the same in our school activities, school facilities, and to our teacher. To make it more easier, just drag it like this. Oh, wait. Okay. Let's put it in the center. Okay. The average weighted mean of our curriculum is 4.15. School activities, 3.65. School facilities, we have 3.45. And teacher is 3.8. This is our interpretation of our data in a word processor. We have pie chart 1, our participants. Pie chart 1 shows the number of participants in the study. 13 or 65% are females, and 7 or 35% are males. Let's go to area of satisfaction. We have curriculum, school activities, school facilities, and teachers. Our pie chart 2 is our curriculum. Level of satisfaction in curriculum. The pie chart 2 shows that out of 20 respondents, 8 or 40% of the participants are very satisfied with the curriculum. 7 or 35% are satisfied, and 5 or 25% are enough satisfied. The total weighted mean is 4.15, which is labeled as satisfied. Next, pie chart 3, school activities. Level of satisfaction in school activities. The pie chart 3 shows that out of 20 participants, 6 or 30% of are satisfied with the school activities. 4 or 20% are very satisfied. 9 or 45% are enough satisfied, and 1 or 5% are dissatisfied. The total weighted mean is 3.65%. The total weighted mean is 3.65, which is labeled as enough satisfied. Pie chart for our school facilities. Level of satisfaction in school facilities. The pie chart 4 shows that out of 20 responses, 6 or 30% of the participants are satisfied with the school facilities. 5 or 25% are very satisfied. 4 or 20% are enough satisfied. 3 or 15% are dissatisfied. And 2 or 10% are very dissatisfied. The total weighted mean is 3.45, which is labeled as enough satisfied. Last one, our pie chart 5, our teachers. The pie chart 5 shows that out of 20 responses, 8 or 40% of the participants are very satisfied with the school, with our school teachers. 3 or 15% are satisfied. 7 or 35% are enough satisfied. 1 or 5% are very dissatisfied. And 1 or 5% are dissatisfied. The total weighted mean is 3.8, which is labeled as enough satisfied. That's all, everyone. Thank you for listening.